see what we've got here. Paperwork. Pouch. Okay, so these are the new microphone receiver in the canal. Let's have a look at these. Okay, get back to that. Got the right one as well. Okay, I like the box. Made for iPhone, iPad, iPod, Android. Cool, let's open it. I think you open it, pull it from there. Some normal receivers. That's a kid's toy. Nothing part of the video. So that's the new hearing aid. It's 961. Lots of user guides. Filters. Warranty card. Cool. Let's see what else we got. So we've got the charger. So if you're familiar with the Quattro, it's a very similar charger. Okay, it's actually the same charger. It's cool. And it does work, so really nice product.